video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys what I like to bring in my Barber case. I take my Barber case, say if I'm going to go do a house call, that's what I'm going to bring my case, and I'll show you what I bring in it today. So let's get right into it. So this is the case that I bring to my house calls. I bought this case off of Amazon for about 80 bucks. I like it because it's a really sturdy box and it's pretty big, decent size, so it fits a lot of things in it. So you just gotta put your combination in and then just unlock it. And then inside is where you load up all your things. You got scissor carriers. So inside you guys have your pockets for the clippers, so all the guards. So I'm gonna put all my stuff in there and I'm gonna show you how it looks at the end. Loaded up. Let's go through it. Here I have my cape, it's the Illusion cape. You guys seen my previous videos, the Yeezy whatever one. Really like this cape a lot. Next up we have my guards. I put all my guards right here. I like how it has a little section. You could move this too actually, just like this. You put all your guards in it and they have a lot of space. I usually just bring my guards from half guard to my number 6 guard. Here I have my neck duster. You guys know neck duster, you're dusting off your neck, everything. Here I got the bald shaver. And here I bring the Wall Seniors. I have the Gold FX trimmers. And then I also bring the Fabulous Pro FX as well. I usually start with this one, and then once this one dies, I'll use this one. But if I only have one haircut, I'll usually just bring these two. These are my go-tos. But say I'm doing multiple haircuts, I also bring this one. I just do that to rotate them, so the other one can charge while I'm using that one. Gotta bring your cool care, always. I also bring neck strips. I put the neck strips underneath there. Here I just have like 3 or 4, but it depends on how many cuts. Like again, if I'm only doing one cut, I'll bring like 1, maybe 2 for backup. Here I have my aftershave alcohol that I spray. Water's not always a necessity because say I'm doing a number 3 on top with a mid fade. Like this guy doesn't need scissors, so I don't need to wet the hair. So it depends on what type of haircut I'm doing. So that depends if I bring the water or not. Up here I have some clips, just to clip the hair down. I have these 2 clips. It's just some derby blades that I use for my razor. Here I have some shears. I also have some thinning shears, a regular comb, a clipper over comb, the brush that I use when I'm doing the hair. I use this brush for the client, and then this is the one where I use for my clipper. I brush off the hair from this one. So yeah, that's pretty much what I bring in my case. I also bring my ring light, but I have a little ring light backpack, and in that same backpack I bring my mirror and what else do I bring? Oh, I bring the chargers. I bring the chargers for my clippers. So yeah guys, that's basically it. Hope you guys liked today's video. Let me know if you guys want more of these videos. If you want more haircut tutorials, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.